Welcome to another Teamflect tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about how you can use Teamflect in mobile devices. As you can see right now, I'm already logged in on my Microsoft Teams on my PC. And on the left side, Teamflect has already been integrated into my Teams. If we have this in our PC, that means we can access it on our mobile device as well by clicking the little ellipses button on the right side. Let me show you how it's done. As you can see, I'm firing up Teams on my mobile device and I'm logging in. Let's sign in. Once I do that, on the right side you can see the More button with the ellipses on it. Let's click it and then click Teamflect. If you can't see Teamflect here, simply click Add App and then Add Teamflect. Once I do that, you can see that I'm now inside a minimal version of the Teamflect dashboard. It's the very same dashboard, but every single section is aligned vertically. Now let's take a look at how the modules look. Let's go to the Meetings module. And I have all my meetings right here, the same way I would on a PC. Let's take a look at Feedback. Again, very close to what it looks like on the PC as well. Now let's go back home and wrap this up. And that is how you use Teamflect on a mobile device. We hope you had a good time.